today in this video, we are going to see an integer is odd or even using the bitwise operators. We are going to see the three bitwise operators, XOR, OR, and AND operator. So before entering into the program part, we'll see how it is working. So let me open the notepad. So whatever the integer that has been given as the input, what we have to do is we have to convert it to the binary value and we have to add the one value to it. So we have to perform the XOR operation for the XOR bitwise operator. So I have converted the 11 value to binary and 1. So I am performing the XOR operation. So I'll get the output as 1010, which is the integer value of 10. So if the value is decremented, then it is said to be odd number. Or you can also say if the LSB is 0, then it is odd number. If the LSB is 1, then it can be set as even number. This is a basic XOR operation. And when we are going for the AND operator, we have to consider 14 as the input. So 1, 1, 1, 0, and I am performing the one operator. So I have performed the AND operation. You have gotten result as 0. So in AND operation, you will get only two results. One is 0 or you will get as 1. So if the result is set to be 0, then it is said to be even number. Or if it is said to be 1, then it is said to be odd number. This is the basic idea. So when we are considering the OR operation, whatever the input you have given, after performing the OR operation with 1, you will get the same input value, that is 11 and 1. When I am performing the OR bitwise operator, I am getting the result as same, that is 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. So then it is said to be even number. Or if the number is incremented or decremented, then it can be set as even number. So now move to the program. So as usual, I am defining the class and I have taken this is the main part, that is this is the driver code which will get the integer. Here in all the basic programs, we are giving the input value in the program itself. We are not getting it from the user. So I have given the input value as 0 and I am performing the XOR operation. So when we are going for the AND, the same thing is we are performing the AND operation with the given integer and based on it, we'll get the output. For OR operator, we are performing the OR function with the integer. Now let's run the program. So what is the first thing we have to do is we have to move to the workspace. So I have moved to my directory where I have saved my programs. So we have to first compile the given program, that is Java C bitwise XOR.java. If there are no errors, it will be creating a class file. So now I had to run the program. So it has given even. I have given the integer value as n equal to 100. So it has said it is an even number. Now we will see for the AND operation. So Java bitwise and .java. So class file is created now. So now I have to run the program. I have given the input as 101. So it is set as odd. Now we will see for XOR operation. Sorry, OR operation. Here also I have given the n value as 100. So Java bitwise or so it has said even. So this is the basic idea behind the bitwise operations. Clear? Thank you.